Now let us try to understand 78. Which one of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal which is in liquid at room temperature? We know that only the metal which is in liquid form is mercury. Mercury is in liquid form. That's why liquids are purified by distillation. It's a conceptual question. So our answer is D. By zone refining, you can purify silicon and germanium. By electrolysis, you can purify copper, zinc, and aluminium. By chromatography, you can purify titanium and zinc. These are the extra content you have to keep in mind. Why? Because there is a probability to get a question in the upcoming examinations. You have to keep in mind. By zone refining, you can refine metal, silicon, and germanium. By electrolysis, copper, zinc, and aluminium. By chromatography, you can purify titanium and zinc. By distillation, you can purify mercury metal. Why? Because which is in liquid form at room temperature.